So not everybody is interested in learning the piano because they want to play songs. Some people want to learn the piano so that they can play and sing. So I'll also be teaching you how to sing on all the keys we've reviewed. So to sing on the key of C, that song, you already know the chords you're playing, C and G only, all through. All you have to do is to play the exact chords you were playing here on this side. Right, remember when you played Mi, you touch your Do chord there, you also touch it here. So it's Mi, Re, Do, Re, Mi. Go to your Sol chord, Re, Re, Re. Now if your hand is as big as mine, you don't have to use your 1, 3, 5. You can use 1, 2, 4. Re, Re, Re. Go back to your Do. Mi, So, So. Keep singing it so that you know that when you get to Mi, you come back to Do. Mi, Re, Do, Re, Mi, Re, Re. No, Re is an encore note, so you have to go to Sol. Mi, Re, Do. By the time you sang that several times and you are used to it, then you can now go to Mary had a little lamb, a little lamb, a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Take note of the fingers I'm using. 1, 2, 4 here. 2, 3, 5 here. I'm using it because I have big hands. I'm an adult. If you're a child or maybe you have small hands, you're supposed to use 1, 3, 5 on both hands. Mary had a little lamb, a little lamb, a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. So basically that's that for that. So in the next lesson we'll move over to C sharp. That's C sharp.